Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming an active DDoS and prioritizing containment. Once you detect abnormal traffic, isolate the affected IP ranges and apply strict rate limits at your edge routers. This reduces noise while preserving critical services. Simultaneously, contact your ISP or upstream provider and request blackholing or traffic diversion to a scrubbing service because they can absorb volume you cannot. Make sure to collect PCAP samples and attack metrics for later analysis, so you can refine filters rapidly. Once initial containment is active, move to targeted mitigation. You should implement access control lists and geo-blocking where appropriate, and enable SYN cookies and connection limits to stop protocol exhaustion. Then, announce your prefixes to a CDN or cloud scrubbing provider via BGP so they can absorb and clean malicious traffic. While that runs, inspect packet captures and application logs to craft Layer 7 rules and drop signatures. This reduces collateral damage and preserves legitimate user sessions, while attack traffic is progressively removed. To finish, restore normal routing and gradually lift restrictive filters, while you closely monitor latency, error rates, and business metrics. Make sure to persist PCAP files and logs, update your WAF rule set with learned signatures, and harden exposed endpoints against repeat vectors. If traffic or service issues continue, escalate to your ISP for deeper mitigation, rotate public IPs where feasible, or scale scrubbing capacity. This targeted escalation is the key troubleshooting step that resolves persistent or adaptive attacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.